There's a whole lot of things that I could say to you today, but I choose to tell you this. Thank you for being there when I needed you the most. When the road ahead of us was full of challenges, when I had to make those difficult decisions, even on the days when I have struggled, when the future seemed uncertain, not once did I have to walk alone. You stood by me, and you stood by me until you made sure everything was alright. 9 years and 10 months ago, I never realized what a journey we would be having together. Today, I'll be waiting for you to walk up to me at the altar. You will be as beautiful as you were when I first met you. I'm so proud to become your husband. I promise you this day is the beginning of a journey. Challenging at times, but a meaningful journey nonetheless. I promise to be your inspiration the way you have always been mine. You always love me more than I could ever ask for. I may not be perfect, but I promise you that I will do the best that I can to come close in loving you like the way you do. Baby, I love you. I always did and always will.
ஒளியில்லா உலகத்தில் இசையாக நீயே மாறி காற்றில் வீசினாய், காதில் பேசினாய். மொழியில்லா மௌனத்தில் விழியாலே வார்த்தை கோர்த்து கண்ணால் பேசினாய், கண்ணால் பேசினாய். 100 ஆண்டு உன்னோடு வாழ வேண்டும் மண்ணோடு, பெண் உனை தேடும் எந்தன்